Hey guys, welcome. My name is Jason Jacobs and this is Math with Jason Jacobs. We're going to learn if we already have the mean, like the mean is 7 here out of these quiz scores, and there's 4 quiz scores. We have a 7 out of 10, a 4 out of 10, a 9 out of 10, and well, that's missing. And we need to find it. And you'll be having to answer a lot of questions like this. So how do we find this missing test score, this missing quiz score, if we know that the mean or the average is 7? Well, we're going to have to work backwards and use our algebraic skills. In order to use our algebraic skills, we're going to have to think, what did we have to do to get 7? Well, we have to add up all of these, including this one, and then divide by how many? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add them all up and we divide by 4. All right. So what's the inverse of dividing by 4? When we add all these up, we get a total. And that total, we had to divide by 4. We had to divide by 4 and we got a mean of 7. So do you see how that worked? Now the inverse operation of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So we're going to take the mean and multiply it by 4. Multiply, oh boy. Oh, guess who it is? Crosley? All right, Crosley, come on. And I bet you were wondering where Bubbles is. Don't worry, Bubbles is still... What? What? What happened?
You put your hand on Phil.
Oh, he's pooping. Here, can you get him, please? Can you get him? Can you? He's got a lot of raisins coming out here. Don't eat them. Don't eat them. Okay, guys. So the inverse. Okay, Crosley, just stop, please. The inverse of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. So the total of all 4 of these is 28. So we have 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus the missing one, that's the variable. We're going to say x equals 28. Okay, so now we have to combine like terms.
Look at Bubbles.
7 plus 4. Okay, it looks like he's a little constipated and is stuck there. Okay, so Crosley, can you put him back in his cage, please?
Bubbles, I never knew you had so much poop coming out of you.
Stop, Crosley, please. I really got a good thing going here. I don't have to restart this again. Okay. 7 plus 4 is 11, and then 11 plus 9 is 20. So we have 20 plus x equals 28. Now the inverse operation of adding 20 is subtracting 20. So we're going to subtract 20 from both sides, which will cancel this out. Subtract 20. Cancel, subtract 20. And we get x equals 8. So the missing quiz score is 8. The missing quiz score is 8. And now, oh boy, we got the whole family here now. Great. Okay, can we? Oh, there goes the stage lights. Watch out for the stage lights, please. They're very expensive. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end this video, and that's what happens when you have the mean, and you're missing one of the